5 foods that give you a flatter stomach. Save this video to your phone to avoid not being able to find it. Number 1. Banana. Bananas are high in fiber, low in calories, and packed with potassium to help reduce bloating and water retention. Number 2. Cucumber. A natural diuretic that removes water weight and reduces bloating. Number 3. Avocado. Full of healthy fats that reduce inflammation and help prevent blood sugar spikes. Number 4. Chia seeds. Rich in fiber and absorb water, forming a gel-like substance that aids digestion and reduces bloating. Number 5. Warm lemon water. Kickstarts your digestive system, flushing out toxins and helping food pass through smoothly. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Follow me to learn more about health. Thank you very much. If you know anything else that can help, let me know in the comments section.